You will not always have the time to reheat or cook your breakfast. So today I'll be teaching you how to make this milky wheat drink that does not require any reheating. So to start, we're going to measure our 12 cups of milk powder into our saucepan. The equivalent of 12 cups are on your screen. To this, you're going to add 6 cups of normal tap water, normal room temperature tap water. The equivalent of 6 cup room temperature water are also on your screen, the equivalent measurement. Then we'll be adding 18 cups of water into a big saucepan, bring it to a boil. Then we take it off the flame, add a reconstituted milk to it, bit by bit. So as we add, we stir to make sure everything is well incorporated and everything is homogenized, so well mixed. Try to get as much of the reconstituted milk into the boiled water. Now after that, you want to cool it down to about body temperature. To check if it's about body temperature, take a little bit of the milk, put it on your forearm or behind your hand. If you can tolerate the heat, it means the temperature is right enough. So to this, we'll be adding 150 milliliters of store-bought yogurt. I use fan yogurt because it always works well for me. After that, cover the container and set it aside somewhere. Allow it to ferment for about 6 to 9 hours. After 6 to 9 hours of fermentation of the milk, we're going to boil 10 cups of wheat berries till they are very tender. Now, I soaked my wheat berries for about 24 hours prior to boiling. So this reduces the cook time considerably. It doesn't take too long for my wheat to become very tender. So you're going to drain your wheat berries and rinse them thoroughly of any excess starch or any gooiness. Then you bring it back on the flame, medium flame, add 6 teaspoons, which is 2 tablespoons. Please take note. 2 tablespoons of rock sea salt. Allow that to cook for about 5 minutes, then take it off the flame. So our milk has thickened up nicely and it has become yogurt as you see on the screen. So what we're going to do is we're going to break the curds. We're going to make sure everything becomes sort of smoother to work with. Because right now at this stage it's jelly-like, so you can't just mix in stuff in there. You have to break it up a little. So after breaking the curds up, we're going to add 6 cups of granulated sugar. The equivalent of 6 cups are on your screen, the measurements of that. To this, I'm going to add half of the cooked wheat berries. Add it to it, stir it till everything is well combined. It might take some effort, but if you doing this in smaller quantities, it wouldn't be that much. And you can always halve this recipe, it would work perfectly. You don't have to worry about the recipe not working so well. So at this point, I added the other half of the cooked wheat berries. Then give it a mix. So at this point, we are done. All we need to do is to enjoy this dish. But before we enjoy it, we're going to flavor it up a little or make it smell nice. So I added 15 milliliters of vanilla essence. Now the top, that container, the top of the vanilla essence, the cup of vanilla essence is about 5 milliliters. So measuring through is 15 milliliters. And that is it. Point 0.2 liters cost less than 5 cedis.